Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to create this design using very simple techniques. Please subscribe to support this channel. To get started, we need to create a rectangle. So you come to your tools bar and select rectangle tool. Double click and drag to create this rectangle and specify the dimension for it with a width of 220 and a height of 270. The next thing we need to do is to click on our ellipse tool, hold down Ctrl and double click as you drag to create a perfect circle. Now from there, you go to your shape tool, click on it once, and this node, you drag it to the very right of the circle. The next thing we need to do is to create another circle. So you select the ellipse tool again, hold down Ctrl and drag to create a perfect circle. Now you select your rectangle tool and create this shape. Click on it a second time and rotate it this way. Make a duplicate of it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and duplicate it as well. Make another duplicate and rotate it as well. Don't forget to position it well. Now with that being done, you go to your smart fill tool and click the intersections to create these shapes. Now you can go ahead and delete these shapes. Now the next thing we need to do is to create another shape here. So we use the pen tool hold down Shift to draw a straight line. And join the knots. Now we apply a color of deep blue to this. To adjust that, you come to the color layer beneath here, double click on it, click on color viewers and drag it down to adjust the color. Take off the outline on the property bar. Control page down to send it behind this object. Now power clip your images into each created shape. Hold down Alt to edit it without opening the power clip. Please support this channel by subscribing. Thank you. With this circle selected, increase the outline to 14. Hold down Ctrl Shift and press Q to convert the outline to an object. Give it a color of white. Right click on this, select power clip, select all this, right click, power clip into the background. Double click to edit the power clip. Now the final thing, our text.